You just have to excuse me. I'm just a little choked up about this. Okay, we're going to talk about emotion, right? Okay, now that is not what you want to do. Emotion is very important because that's what persuasion is all about. Basically pulling at people's heartstrings to get them to change a belief or get them to take an action, okay? Well, let's talk about emotion. If you want to include an emotional format, you need to put it actually in your pattern. Now, if you're going to make an emotional appeal, that's what we call it, is where I'm going to try to get to you through the heart, then I'm going to use the problem solution pattern, okay? We talked about that earlier. But I have to add a sequence or a segment or a paragraph or a section or however you want to call it on emotion. And in that emotional part, I really want to drive home, nail home in an emotional but controlled way how this must be done for the sake of the company, for the sake of the children, for the sake of the dogs, for the sake of the cats, for whatever it is. I need to find a place in there, usually at the end, right before your conclusion, where I'm going to go for the, well, what we say, go for the jugular, okay? Where I'm going to appeal to my audience's emotions.